stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Terrence, this is Centurion Merrick again. We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock. Oh, we got it! You're good to go! Let's do this!
Noise! Nothing's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
Stands for every person comes out tired.
I don't get it.
You're all heroes.
You really think they deserve to be called heroes? But do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
Takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Steve's World UK.